conclusion first. This is Singapore market this week from Monday to Friday, September 14th to September 18th. For Singapore market, our weekly conclusion. Yeah. See, this week we have 425 shares in trading. Last week we have 429 shares in trading. Have 4 less, delist or what? But we have 4 less shares in trading this week. So for this week, the rising shares number is 189, and the drop shares number is 161, and the sideways shares is 75. So we can make a simple statistic for the market probability to make profit or lose money. See, this week, the probability to make money and to make profit, it is 44.47% compared with 26.81%. This is last week. So recently, many friends say the market not so easy to make money. So last week, the probability for us to make money is 26.8%, but this week it's quite okay, even still less than 50%, but the number is 44.4% profits. We can make money. Okay, the probability we lose money is 37.8% compared with last week is 56.6%. See, last week, if we buy Singapore share, we buy 10 and we make get 5 to 6 will lose money. But this week, we only got 3 or 4 lose money. Okay, so this is a probability. Probability. We do stock investment, we do stock trading. So we just see if the probability to make money is higher, and then we do. But if the probability to lose money is higher, we just wait and see. This is the rules to protect ourselves. Okay, no matter how much money we make, the number one rules in stock investment is we must protect our wealth. Okay, so this is for Singapore market, and let's have a look at the Malaysia market. Malaysia market this week have 11 more shares in trading. Last week only 864 shares, but this week we got 11 more new shares IPO and in trading. So in Malaysia market, this week is 875 shares in trading. Also, but Malaysia market have 1 day no trading, only 4 trading days this week. So the right share, the number is 532. The drop share number is 223, and the sideways shares is 120. So we can also make a statistic for the probability to make money and the probability to lose money if we buy long in Malaysia market. See, the probability to make money this week is quite good. It's 60.8%. But last week it's only 17.4%. You know the difference? Okay, so this week means a lot of Malaysia individual shares have some kind of rebound. So if we buy 10, we can got 6 to make money. Okay, and the probability to lose money is 25.5%. But last week, the probability to lose money is 74.6%. And then we can see the difference, right? So it means last week, most of the individual shares follow the KLCI, continue pullback, continue correction, and most will continue drop. So the probability to lose is 74.6%. We buy 10 and we got 7 to 8 will continue drop. So not so easy to make profit, but this week is different. This week, the probability to make money is 60.8% already for Malaysia market. We can just find the strong shares to consider. It will be very easy to do. And for Hong Kong market Monday to Friday, the same 2,072 shares. Last week is this number, but this week also the same, 2,072 shares in trading. And for the right share, this week is 1,040. For the drop share is 845. The sideway is 187. So for Hong Kong market, this week, if we buy long, the probability we make money is 50.2%, nearly 50.19%. Compared with last week is only 32.58%. So also rising a lot, the probability to make profit. And the probability to lose money is 40.78%, nearly half, but the probability to make money is higher. So if the market have a chance, and then we do. If the market don't have a chance, we just wait and see. Okay, so for Hong Kong market, we can also find the strong shares and with big fish. So also very easy to make money, especially 09. The stock code is start with 09. So this is the new share or relative new share. It's very strong. So for Hong Kong market, it's very easy to make profits. Okay, so this one is the Nasdaq. US market, we got American Exchange, New York Exchange, and also Nasdaq. We take this Nasdaq for example. We can also make the statistic for the weekly conclusion. So last week for Nasdaq market, the shares in trading is 3590. 3590. You see the difference. For Singapore market, the shares totally in trading is less than 500. But in Nasdaq market, only one, no matter see the American Exchange and the New York Exchange, only one Nasdaq is more than 3,500. So you see the difference. Okay. And the rising share, the number is 2483. The drop shares number is 1031. And the sideway is only 84. So it means the market is very active. Rise or drop, seldom is sleeping. Very little is sleeping, not move. So for us, if we buy long, even the index continue pull back 3 weeks already. But if we do the individual share, the probability we buy and make money is 69.01%, nearly 70%. We buy 10, we got 7 shares, make money. And the probability to lose money is only 28.65%. So this market has the best probability to make profit, 69%. Many people say September usually is not a good month to make money, but enough half month passed already. According to our homely members, this is not true. For retail investors, enough we see and also have 2 levels. One still follow the previous rules and the previous experience and continue lose the chance and continue lose money. But the other one learn and use the new technology, use the knowledge we learned. So we continue make big profits. So that is the big difference. And this difference will be bigger and bigger as one part of people continue learning, but the other never learn new things. Okay. So for US market, currently we still have a lot of chance to do. Okay. This is the weekly statistic regarding the US market and the Asian market. So now we can have homely 22 years, the first investment philosophy, index first and stock next. Index first, stock next. So later we will see the global index. See if the index is rising, just like the Dow Jones, the SPX, the Nasdaq, 11 years already, the big trend, the primary trend is bullish rising. So it means 80% of the individual shares also rising. 80% of the individual share all rising. So our probability to make profit will be much higher. And the other 10% will be downtrend. And the other 10% will be stronger than STI. But if the index is bearish down, just like Singapore, like Malaysia, the primary trend is bearish down. So it means the blue chips, the members of STI, it will all follow the STI, follow the KLCI, and 80% will move down. We only have small rebound, short-term and mid-term chance, but for big trend, it's bearish down. And the other 10% is stronger than STI, but we also got 10% is much worse than STI. Okay. So the current market, we must choose smartly before we trade, before we do the investment. We must choose the strong shares. Okay. So if the index is sideways, also the same, we have 80% of individual shares will follow index, will continue sleeping. And only 10% of shares is very strong and can help us make big money. The other 10% will continue drop. So this is the rules of the stock market, no matter in bullish or bearish, no matter in US or Asia, can all use the rules. And now we look at the index first. This one is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones. From Dow Jones, we see August 10th, August 11, the red bar breakdown purple line. Here, above this one is one of Homely feature indicator, Homely rainbow. This is Homely another investment philosophy, long-term first and short-term next. Long-term first, short-term next. So we see the white line. The white line can tell us the primary trend. If the white line turn up, it is bullish rising. If the white line turn down, it is bearish down. If the white line is flat, so it means the big trend is sleeping, is sideways. The blue line can tell us the mid-long-term movement. The yellow line tells us mid-short-term movement. But for retail investors, most of us, the yellow line will be our moving stop loss. See, if price stand above yellow line, we can buy, we can hold, no problem. But once price break down the last yellow line, we must mind the potential risk and can consider decrease position or after first. We wait and see. If later we have chance and we enter again, but if don't have chance, we just let it go. Okay, so the yellow line is very important for retail investor. And this green line is a lifeline. The share, just like people, have its own life. So if the price, the candlestick stand above the green line, it have life. But currently we see Dow Jones, the price, the candlestick just move around the green line. When they up, when they down, up again, down again. So means not the long and the short, the buy and the sell have very fierce battles here. Just the struggle around the lifeline. See, if the price can stand above this level, 28170, this is currently the short-term resistance level. If close price can stand above this level effectively means the close price, the intraday high not works, not counts. The close price, if can stand above this level for 3 days or 3%, it is effectively break up. So if the price can stand above this level effectively, it means and later we will have more space to go to continue hit new high or continue rising. But if the price break down this level, this is 27480, you can write down these numbers. So if the price, close price also not intraday low, close price. See, if intraday low break down this level, but close price stand above this level also works, no problem. So if the close price effectively stand above this level, so it means for mid long term, we may still have some chance. But if break down, it will be another thing. If break down, so it means it will pull back further and the correction longer time. Now it's more than 2 weeks already. So this is the Dow Jones. This is from the trend. But if we want continue hit the history new high, it must break up the previous high, this level 29200. So if this level can break up, we will be very safe and continue hit new high. But if not, the price will continue sideways inside this few levels, support, resistance. If break up, this resistance will turn to support and go to next resistance. But if we break down this level and below the white line, the blue line will be our last support. And from the money flow, we see, this is September, not August, September. From September beginning, September the 3rd, the red bar break down purple line until now. It's 3 weeks. 3 weeks. September 3rd, the red bar break down purple line. Even until today, the red bar continue below purple line and a bit lower. So it means the money continue flowing out. And also that's the reason why the price no big rise. But usually, according to March and June, the quadruple witching day, according to the history data, usually this few days the market will pull back. Just like yesterday, even the candlestick is green, but it's dropped as it's gap down, even rise some, but the close price still below the previous day close price. So it's still drop. Continue 3 days drop already. But the intraday low price hit the support and the close rise a bit. So if next week the money can flow up, can rise a bit, the red bar rise a bit, so the price may have some power to have some rebound, but this level will be the resistance. If the red bar continues smaller, it will be very dangerous. If break down the support, no good, with the mind the potential risk for Dow Jones. This one is SPX, but the close price break down the last yellow line already. So it's very clear, right? So currently, this 3 weeks, the SPX also continue move inside this pink box. The support level is around 3315. The resistance is 3430. But yesterday, the close price break down the last yellow line already. Not 3 days, not 3%, so not effectively. The last yellow line, the support still works. See, if next trading day, the red bar rising and the price can stand above the rainbow lines, the last yellow line again, so the support still works and it will continue sideways in the pink box until choose new direction. So currently, also from September the 3rd, the red bar break down purple line. So means for short term, if for short term trading, we can take profits ready. If the red bar break down purple line and also the purple line turning down, for short term, we can consider take profits. For mid term, we follow the last yellow line. If close price effectively break down the last yellow line and also the red bar less than 50%, even for mid-long term, we can also consider take risk position or take profits first. We just wait and see and wait for next chance. So this is the SPX. And for Nasdaq 2 days ready. 2 days ready, the close price stand below the last yellow line. So if one more is confirmed, so means the big trend no good. Currently, the support level is 10800. The resistance level is 11280. So just sleeping inside this box. Currently, from September 2nd, September 3rd, the red bar break down purple line until now, the red bar continues smaller and smaller. So the price, no power to rise, no power to break up. And currently, the red bar still above 50%, so means still not too bad. The banker still here, big fish still here. If the close price effectively break down the last yellow line, one more days to confirm, and also the red bar break down 50%, and then no good. It will have longer and further pullback, have longer drop correction. Okay, so this is for the next day. But if one hit new high again, it must break up the previous high resistance level. Currently, if no money flow in, it will be not so easy. So these few months, October, September, October, November, these few months, it will continue the volatile sideways, and this volatile will be bigger. Okay. For STI Singapore market nearly no big move, even we check every day, but the small rise, small drop, small rise, small drop, very stable. So you see, this is our support level 2480. Yesterday the close is 2497, but if the close price can stand above 2480, still no big problem. It will continue sideways here. 2480, it will be our support level, but above all the rainbow lines will be our resistance. Continue sleep, and never when weak, nobody knows. So continue sleep here. But from the money flow, we see currently the red bar disappear already, means the big fish, the institutional money, after rebound. Here is March 23rd, and here is June 10th. From March to June, have some big rebound, but after June, the big money continue flowing out. So that's a reason why DBS, UOB, OCBC continue hit new low, break down the support level, and continue drop. Even the submarine, the Sintel, all big drop. So these blue chips will follow the STI. And currently, most of the part is the yellow bar. The yellow bar means hot money, the fund manager. So they buy, sell. The price will up, down, just sleeping here, no big move. Currently, the green bar is a bit rising, nearly around 50%. So it means a lot of retail investors locked here already. For SIA, drop so much from drop more than 2 years, more than 50%. And for submarine, from more than $3, now it's 16 cents. You catch bottom right, you buy and hold right, and then it will continue hit new low, continue drop. And a lot of retail investors locked here already, the green bar. I hope you're not here. So this is the STI. 2480 is a very important support. In the past half year, never break down this level. And for KLCI Malaysia Market, from this one we see the resistance is 1615. This is the history, previous high, previous low, many years resistance level, not so easy to break up. Even from March, we have a very strong rebound, but try many times and never break up this level. So 1615 still be our resistance, and the support level is around 1475. If price above this level, stand above this level, the support level, it just sleeping here. From June till now, 3 months already. Here is June 10th. Here is August 15, even have some rebound, but hit the resistance pullback again. So more than 3 months already, just sleeping inside these two levels, support, resistance. So we can consider buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high, also very easy to do. Okay, so this is the Malaysia market. We just wait for it will break up or break down. If break up, we have more space to go. But if break down, so it will come back to the previous bearish down, as the big trend still bearish. This one is the Hong Kong market. Hong Kong market, just like Singapore, very stable, and the support level is around 24,300. So if price, close price stand above this level, no big problem. Above all the rainbow lines will be resisting, but this level will be the support level. So currently the price just sleeping here. We also can consider buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. So above the rainbow lines will be our resistance, and 24,300 will be our support level. Support level also very stable, and currently the red bar continues smaller. Red bar continues smaller. The big money flowing out, and the most part is yellow bar. Also hot money play here. So the price no big move. But for individual shares for Hong Kong market, we have around 50, very bullish, very strong. Short-term, mid-term, long-term all rising, and more than 75%, more than 50%, all big fish here. So continue rising. Just like the Haidilao, that pattern very strong for Hong Kong market. Okay. So this is the China mainland, the Shanghai index. So we have a look at this one. For big trend, we see the white line. The white line is bullish rising. Even the blue line also take up. So it means the mid long term is bullish rising. And now the support level is around 3,200. The resistance is around 3,455. So currently, just sleep in this box, and also 3 months already. We see the midterm correction, it will be 3 weeks to a few months. It depends, can be 3 months, 2 months, also can be 10 months, 9 months, all right. So it depending on the market, depending on the share. Just like Shanghai index, once this level break up, 3455, if this level break up, we will have very more space to go, as the big trend is bullish already, and also the big fish here. See, yesterday the red bar break up the purple line. Yesterday, other markets the money flowing out, but for Shanghai index, the red bar break up purple line again. So if the red bar can continue increasing, can reach to 50%. So the price will be very easy to break up this level and continue hit new high. So for each share, if we can do, also have a lot of chance. And after this correction, see here, from 2,900, it rise to 3,400. So this period, after correction, after the rest finish, it will at least rise to this period. This is the letter N pattern. Okay. So we just follow the trend, follow the money to make the safe profits. And here is our sector index. Sector index. Just enough we see the global index. Every market we know it's sideways, it's pullback, it's strong or weak. And now we see the sector index. This one is the Singapore market. Singapore market yesterday, Friday. See, we see the consumer staple, material, and also telecommunication. These 3 sectors rising, and all the other sectors continue drop for Singapore market. So if we want make some quick money, if we want find some strong share, we can find the shares from these 3 sectors. And for Malaysia market, utility, consumer staple, these sectors rising, all the other sectors continue drop. For Hong Kong market, the energy sector, utility sector, this 2 is rising, and the other sectors all drop. For Nasdaq, the energy, financial, material, telecommunication, industrial, so these 5 sectors rising. Even the index pullback, the index continue drop, but the individual sectors and the individual shares is different. Many move up already. So we can, from these sectors, the leading sectors, we can find some strong shares to consider. Then we look at some individual share from global index to sector index, and then to individual shares. So this is index first, stock next. We always choose the most strong shares to consider. Okay. So we have a look at the shares movement. And above is UG Healthcare. UG Healthcare from $13 rise to more than $2. 13 cents, 13 cents rise to more than $2. And this one is SPH. From $2, more than $2, now it's only $1. So if we bought and hold the above one, this stands for one kind of share, one pattern. In Singapore, we have around 10 very strong shares like this, like the iFast, Xinsheng, AEM, and Riverstone, and the Meditech, UG Healthcare, Top Glove. Around 10 is this pattern. The high and high continue hit new high. The low and the low continue hit new high. So it means it's a very beautiful uptrend. Even have some correction. If the trend is confirmed and the trend continue, after correction finish, it will continue rising. Okay, and this pattern also stand for one pattern. Most of the blue chips, the SIA, the HPH, the submarine, the simples, all this kind of, the high and the high continue hit new low, the low and the low continue hit new low. So this is the bearish downtrend. And once the bearish downtrend confirmed, after small rebound, it will pull back more. Small rebound finish, it will continue drop. So this is our choice. For every one of us, we open account, we do stock investment. Our purpose is to make money, not to make a contribution to the others. We want to make money. So if we want to make money, this kind of share better not touch. The risk is much more than profit. The probability we lose money is much, much higher. And the probability we make money is very, very small. So we are all smart person, and we also need to do the smart choice. If we know the bear is down, the big trend is bearish down and it continue drop, so this kind can only lose money. Singapore market. Let's see. For UG Healthcare, you see above the price stand above all the rainbow lines, and also more than 75%. The first line is 75 here, and this line is 25. If the red bar can reach to 25, means the banker build the placing already. And if the red bar more than 50%, so it means the banker build the position. And if the red bar more than 75%, means the banker can control this share. So we just follow the trend, follow the big fish. We buy and hold 1,000% profits in hand already, in your pocket, not other people, your own money. Okay, so this is UG Healthcare. And then we have a look at the SPH. You see the difference. So SPH dropped more than 2 years already. From $3.30, small rebound, pull back again, now it's only $1. 60% disappear already, but still we have so many friends still hold and still want to catch bottom, but you don't see the lines. All the lines turn down, so it means the short term, mid term, long term all resisting. And you see the big fish not here, and the most part is green bar. All the retail investor locked here. So if we want to make money, we must stand with the big fish, not the retail investor. For any share, if most part is green bar, it will definitely continue drop. Nobody knows how low it will go. It just continue drop. Okay, for Malaysia market the same. So you see for the above one Supermax, 64 cents rise to more than $8, and this one Maybank, not bad, right? Not bad. The bank share more than $8, now it's only $7.50. Lose small money, but above also 1,000% profits, more than 1,000%. And you see the difference. The strong share all like this. For strong shares all like this. Short term, mid term, long term all rising. price stand above all the rainbow lines, more than 50% will be big fish. So we just follow the trend, follow the big fish. Every time we enter, we bought, we hold, no problem. And also more than 1,000% profits. But currently, if don't have, definitely not time to enter. If have, we also should mind the potential risk here. Support level, resisting level. If price break down the last yellow line and the red bar break down 50%, so no good. Okay, and the mid bar, you see, most part is a yellow bar. Most part is a yellow bar. So means in the past 2 years, it just sleeping here. Small rise, small drop, small rise, small drop, just sleeping, no big move. And this March, April, May, we have some rebound, but hit the white line resisting, pull back again, continue drop. Okay, so if the white line turn down, no chance to do long-term investment, only short-term. We can use small money to do some short-term rebound or mid-term trading, no big chance yet. Okay, for Hong Kong market, you see also the same pattern. Above, from $8 rise to more than 19, but below from $5, now it's 20% drop already, but it will continue drop more. And from the individual share, you see also the same. Strong share all like this. The rainbow lines all turn up. Price stand above the rainbow lines, and also the red bar more than 50%. But the yellow line must mind that better not break down. But for weak shares, all like this. So the people who make money always follow the big fish, and the people who lose money always follow retail investor. If most part see more than 50%, more than 75%, most part is a green bar, so means the retail investor here, no big fish. So no big fish, no rise. Small rebound, pull back again. Small rebound, continue drop. So it will continue hit new low. Okay, so this is the difference. And here we see again, the trend for any share, for any market. If we buy long, we always focus on the uptrend, and then your profit definitely no problem. But if you sell short, you only focus on the downtrend share, and our profit also no problem. Okay, up, down, never make mistake. If you buy long, but your share is downtrend, and you always hold. So our choice, we can change to the upward rising share and then make money. But you don't want, you just want hold the downtrend share, you won't lose money, and so even the God cannot save you. And for the sideways, 30%, 33%. For the sideways, small rise, small drop, so it will be very difficult to make money as no trend. So for any market, for buy long, we have 30% to make big profits. And if we can sell short, we have another 30% to make big profits. So this time we just have a rest. And now the market changed already. It's not like the previous years. You heard the news, you heard the tips, you just buy and hold, and then you can make money. Now everything changed already. The technology is so advanced. And also for every one of us, it's time for us to change also. We must to learn, must to improve. Okay. So for the trend selection, we must learn to choose smartly. If we choose rightly and our choice is right, then you no need work so hard. Still got 100%, 1000% profits back. But if our choice is wrong, and then it will be very difficult to make big money, and very easy to lose money, to lock here. Okay, so for the uptrend, we take buy long, for example, we choose the uptrend share, and for the money flow, we dance to the big fish, we follow the big fish, and then the next question is the point, when we can buy, when we can hold, when we must sell, when we must wait. So this is a very big question, a very big problem for most of retail investors. So now we make rational analysis, we make right decision according to these 3 steps, step by step, and then every one of us we can learn. Every one of us we can make the smart choice, no problem. Okay, we follow the trend, follow the money flow, and then follow the right signals, when buy, when sell. Okay, let's see the points. Let's see the points. So for most retail investor, if you lose money, you can stop and make a conclusion. Your buy point wrong. You always buy at the high level, always chase high. I know many like this. Every time he enter, definitely the high point, very high. So after he bought, and after that, the price will continue drop few months, even a few years, he cannot stand, and then he just sell. But once he sell, the price up rising. So just buy sell at the wrong time. Buy point is wrong. Or if the stock is a very bullish stock, but you cannot hold, just like the Meditech, some members buy at a very low, at 4 cents, 5 cents, but after rise to 10 cents, sell already, as he think it make me enough money, but you don't know it will rise to dollars. Cannot hold, scare. And also the sell point, when time to sell, don't know, or even you know, but you lose money, you don't want to sell, you just hold, and then you just think one day, once it come back, how? So this is the reason why people locked here. And also when we must hold money and wait patiently, wait for the market chance. So here we got this signal. This signal can resolve all these 4 problems for us. So this is one of homely feature indicator. It's a strong signal. Strong signal. It is designed based on the right side trading rules. Right side trading rules. Just like the fish, we remove the head, we remove the tail, we just eat the middle part, have the most meat. The right side trading rules. We not buy at the lowest point. We not sell at the highest point. We just make the middle, the best part for retail investor to make big money. Okay, right side trading rules. And this signal, the normal candlestick will only have 2 colors, green or red. Green means the intraday price is rising, and red means intraday price is going down. But this strong signal have 4 color candlestick. So if the candlestick is red, it tells us short term we can consider buy. If it's dark blue, means we can hold stock, no need worry. It's in the strong area, we just hold, and it will continue rising. And the yellow candlestick means short term we can consider sell. The light blue means the market in weak area. The market is very weak. We just wait money and hold money and wait for the chance. Wait and see. Hold money. So you see, this is the strong signal, one of a homely feature indicator. This indicator is designed 22 years ago. 22 years already. 22 years old, the same as the homely. So you see, for our boss, our CEO, Mr. Feng, our CEO, and many of our research teams, the teachers, they are the first generation of retail investor in China. And at the beginning, they buy stocks, also lose money. So they just stop and then do the research. Why retail investors lose money, always lose money, even make some money, but when the bearish come, lose back all again. Why? So they just do the study, do the research, and design this indicator for retail investor when we can consider to buy. You see the red candle, Nav is not the normal candlestick. Normal candlestick only green and red. This signal is a homely strong signal. If you see the red candlestick, it tells us for short term we can consider to buy already. It is the buy point. And the dark blue means strong area. The market is very strong. We just hold, no problem, no need worry, no need scare. So you see the first wave, 86 cents rise to $3.40. And the second wave, $3.80 rise to $9. The profits, okay, ready? 300%. And this one, 400%, 100% ready. And if the yellow signal appear, the yellow means the market from strong turn to weak already. We can consider take profits first. Okay, short-term sell. And this light blue means the market is weak. It's in weak area. We just wait and see. No need hurry to enter to catch bottom or listen to others, listen to the tips. No need. We just follow the signal. So if we can follow properly, and then profits will be no problem. Strong signal. And another one is a red-white circle. Red-white circle also is one of a homely feature indicator. We can combine these two together. Combine these two indicators together. The red-white circle also called SAR, stop and reverse, but this parameter is different. In homely, all the indicators, all the parameters is the best for retail investor to use. Okay, so for red-white circle, the red circle will be act as support and the white circle will be as resistance. So we combine these two together, it will be very helpful. For the signals, strong signal, red-white circle, it can only used in uptrend or downtrend. The unilateral trend cannot used in sideways, not suitable. If the market is in steeping in sideways, all signals not works. It only used in uptrend or downtrend. Okay, we see the basic uses for red-white circle. The basic uses is the first red circle we can consider to buy. And afterwards, if always red circle, we just hold. And even in the middle, have some pullback, have some correction, it does not matter. The red circle will be support. If price pull back to the red circle have support, it will rise again. Pull back to the red circle have support, it will continue rising. Okay. And when the circle turn to white, it's time to take profit ready. See, if the circle turn to white ready, so it means the white circle will be our resistance. Even we got some rebound, but never touch. This will be very risky. Small rebound, hit the resistance, pull back again. Hit the resistance, pull back again. So if it's a white circle, we just hold money and win. So means it will continue bearish down. Even have some small rebound, hit the resistance level, continue drop, no use. Okay. So we follow the red-white circle. Red circle, first red circle enter, first red circle to buy, and even have some correction, but doesn't matter. The red circle will be support. First white circle to sell, even have some rebound, but no works. Hit the white circle, it will continue drop more. So it will be very easy and very clear for retail investors to follow. See, here is a sideways. Why inside we cannot use them? As inside way, the price no big move. So the signal will let you buy, sell, cannot make money. So we just wait and see. We have a rest. Wait for the next chance come and see again. Okay, it's very difficult to make money in sideways market. So here, if the price have some correction, here one thing we should mind is the price and the circle, the distance. So if the price is far away from the circle, from the red circle, from the white circle, usually it will pull back to the circle. Usually it will pull back. See, if the price pull back to pullback have two ways. One way is sideways, and the other way is rebound or drop. When drop or rebound to the circle have support or have resistance, it will continue the same movement, the same trend. So when we use the red white circle, we must mind the candlestick and the circle, the distance. See, if the price is far away from the red circle, usually it will drop, pull back to the red circle, or sideways to the red circle, have support and rise again. And also the same for white circle. If a price is far away from the white circle, usually it will rebound or sideways. When near to the white circle, if have resistance, it will continue drop again. So this is a correction. This we call rebound. Red white circle. And now we combine these two indicators together. So these two signals can confirm each other just like this. From strong signal, the red candle appear. So from strong signal, the first red candle we can consider to enter to buy. But from red white circle, it's still white circle, means still got resistance. So we can wait and see. We can mind put in our watch list. We just watch closely. Keep close eyes on this share. So we never think to red circle and also the money flowing, the red bar break up purple line. So we can consider enter already. 13 days, September 2nd, 13 days till now, it's 41.9% profit already, 41.9. But as long as it's red circle, so means the red circle will be support. And currently also dark blue signal. Dark blue signal means it's still strong, so we can just hold. Whenever the yellow signal appear or the white circle appear, we consider take profit. Okay, so this one also same for Malaysia market. Just like here, the red signal appear, but it's a white circle, so it means resisting. One signal want you buy, but the other signal tell you have resistance. We just wait and see. When these two confirm each other, turn to red circle and also strong area, we just enter and hold. Just like here, from the strong signal, it turned to yellow already. Yellow means the market from strong to weak, but we still got red circle as support. So we can still wait and see with a few days. Right, so this time is August 6th till now 29 trading days. Our profit is 112% profits and continue rising and still got red circle support, and the candlestick is dark blue. Dark blue means strong area, still in strong. But with the mind, the red bar breakdown purple line 3 days already means it will have some correction. Usually short-term correction is 6 to 10 days. And also the same in this pink box, the circle turn to white means it may have some correction, but the candlestick is dark blue, so means it's still in strong area, as these two signals have different formula, have different strategy. So if we combine these two together, the accuracy will be much higher. Dark blue strong area, even turn to white circle, we just wait and see. So this period also no need sell, we just hold. Okay, so these two confirm each other. Just like the Union Gas. Union Gas recently, some friends say just the enter, but you see from the signal, the yellow signal appear, from dark blue turn to yellow signal appear, so it means the market turn to weak. We can consider to take profit first. And also white circle appear, so it means it always have a resistance. So now it's not time to buy, not time to enter. Even we bought at previously, so this signal appear, these two signal confirm each other, and also the red bar breakdown purple line confirmed with the money flow, so we can consider take profits first, wait and see for short term. But if for mid long term, we follow the last yellow line. If the close price still stand above the last yellow line and the red bar stand above 50, so for mid-long term, still can wait and see. Okay, just like here, the first red circle and to white circle is 18 days. Our profit is 26.6%. Also very easy, right? Every wave we can make money. This one is UG Healthcare. You see, every wave we buy, we enter, can all make money. But presently, with the mind current is sleeping, the price move just sleeping inside the rainbow lines. And from August 7 till now, the red bar break down purple line, and also the purple line turning down. The purple line turning down, so it means the price will continue sideways until choose the new direction. Okay, so this is the combination uses the trend, money flow, signal. We combine together to help us to make the rational analysis and the decision. So here now it's time for us to do the stock diagnosis. For new friends, if you don't have homely chart yet, and you can list your shares in our chat room. In the room, the bottom, at our room at the bottom, have a chat room. You just key in your shares with your bought price, your enterprise, and you do short term or mid long term. Okay, we have the first 6, we have a look at it together. For members, you can open your homely chart and check yourself, okay? And here we give the chance to new friends who don't have homely chart yet. And example like this, the share code or name and your enterprise, you do for short term or mid long term, so we can see better. I open the chart first, and this is our chart. We look at your enterprise, and also do short term or mid long term. Okay, we see my handphone just log in. We have a look at here. So we see the first one is where here. Cannot see. Call the customer service. If we have any questions, we call the customer service. For red white circle, currently we use daily as the market is very volatile. See, if the market is very bullish strong, we use the weekly chart. It's a very strong bullish rising. We use weekly, but now the market is very volatile. We use daily enough. Daily enough. All these indicators available in daily chart. Yes, all have the in the daily chart, in minute chart, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, all have. But it's separately charges need pay separately. So first we look at the Xing Song. We look at Xing Song first. Xing Song is one of Singapore very strong share. Recently also rising a lot, but currently we still mind the potential risk. See, this is Xing Song. So previously we not see from IPO till now very bullish rising. If we hold at from 2011, the price is 20.8 cents, 23.8 cents, 20 cents. Now it's $1.60, nearly more than 700% profit already. But currently we see this is a Xinsu movement. We click signal. This is the normal candlestick. Normal candlestick, the green is intraday rising, the red is intraday going down. But from this candlestick, we don't know when can buy, when can hold, when must sell, we don't know. But we just click the strong signal, so it will be very clear. The red candle, the red candle, the red candle, the red candle, we can enter. The dark blue means strong, we can hold. We never turn to yellow, it's time to sell already. And the light blue till now we see from August 24th. August 24th, the yellow signal appear, and till now, all the candlestick is light blue. Light blue means it in weak area, in weak. Now the market is weak. It's weak. Then we open red white circle. Red white circle. Yesterday we got the first red circle. But the candlestick still weak. We can wait for 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 more days, and see if also the first red circle appear, confirm each other, and then we can enter. So it means the small pullback, the correction finished already. It may have another chance. Okay, so we see from this Xingsong, we follow the signals. We see this wave we enter here, and after here 13 days 6.9%, and this wave we enter here, sell here 15 days 7.7%, and this wave we buy here, sell here 14 days 5.4%, and this wave we enter here and sell here 23 days 29.4%. The profit's okay. So you see, every time we follow the signal, even the market is very volatile, but if we do short-term trading, we follow the profits, no problem. And if we do mid long-term investment, we can follow the rainbow lines. So if price above the yellow line, we can still hold, always hold, no problem. The price stand above the yellow line is here. Catch bottom we can consider, but the safe interpoint is here as price stand above all the rainbow lines, $1.18. And above yellow line, no problem. Break down yellow line, it's time to take profit. So to $1.68. So this is our wave trading. But if we follow the signal, you see here, the circle turn to white, and also the yellow candlestick appear. These two confirm each other. Here is August 17th. August 17th means short term we can take profit already. After that, always white the resistance, we just wait and see. And now the red circle appear, but the strong signal, the first red candlestick not appear. So we can wait a few days. Whenever we see the first red circle and also the red bar break up purple line, we can consider another wave again. So for this one, the mid-term and the long-term, the blue line and the white line still turn up. So the mid-long-term still okay. Yeah? And also the red bar now is around 50%, also not too bad. Okay, this is Xingsong. And the next one is, the second one is member Mr. Hu, you open your homely chart, check your chart, okay? Jolene is don't have chart yet, so we see the Xingsong. And next one is Lin Sintel. We look at the Sintel. For Sintel 374. For Sintel, also very clear, right? From the trend, the white line is bearish down. The white line bearish down means the big trend is very bearish, continue hit new low. The white line, the blue line, the yellow line, even the red line all turn down. So it means short-term, mid-term, long-term continue hit new low. And currently we follow the signal. Every time the small rebound finish, hit new low again. Small rebound finish, it will continue drop more. So at every white circle or every yellow candlestick, every white circle, every yellow candlestick, after the rebound finish, we can consider decrease pricing. See? So this one not drop from NAFA and also many years already. So this one break down the last white line is 2020 February, $3.20, $3.21. So here the price breakdown this level means bearish down already, and now the price is $2.21, drop $1 already, drop 30%. In the past 7 months, others hundreds rising, but this one dropped 30% already, and it will continue. So currently we see still is a white circle resisting, and the candlestick is light blue. Light blue means the market is very weak, and also the white circle will be our resisting level. Most part is green bar. Retail investors locked here, so no way to go. We just wait for the first red circle, the first red candlestick. It may have some rebound, but only short-term rebound, no big chance. It's very bearish. See, the previous low breakdown, now go to here already, this previous high and previous low. See, here is around $2.20 around this level. Breakdown, it will continue hit new low. So this is Syntel, very bearish. Okay, so we look at another one. Okay. Another one. Another one is Syntel Spring Advent ADE VNTA ADE VA don't have it. ADEVN don't have it. Please check right is this one the name is right or not, name or code number. Mr. Button is Apple, we see Apple, we see Apple first. Apple, Tesla, also Tesla nearly pull back already, and we see Apple currently still is white circle resisting, light blue candlestick, so means still weak, no signal to enter yet. So this wave we can enter here, sell here, and now the yellow signal appear, the white circle appear. So currently white circle resisting, light blue candlestick is a weak area, and also the price break down the last yellow line already. The red bar break down 50% already. So means it may have further and bigger correction until the red candlestick or the red circle appear. So currently we just wait and see. Next one, Allen. VRTX. Nasdaq. So this one is in sleeping sideways. From the big trend, the white line still okay. The white line turn up, the blue line a bit flat, but the yellow line and the red line turn down. So it means in midterm correction will be 3 weeks to a few months. And currently, we see from July 21st, From July 21st till now, the red bar continues smaller and smaller, and the purple line turning down. So it means the big fish are after already. Currently, it's hot money, the yellow bar play. So the price will continue sideways here. No big move. Currently, no big move. So the white line will be our support level, and the yellow line will be resistance level. 275 and 50 cents. The resistance. If we can break up this level, we may have more space to go, but not still early to see. So if for short term, Apple, for short term, we can follow the signal, but now it's sideways, no big space to go. And for midterm, we follow the yellow line. Break down the yellow line. It's July 24th. July 24th, price is around 281. We can consider after first and just wait and see. The next one, Apple, Jason Apple Inter is 132 long term. Long term, we can follow the white line. For long term, see, currently it's midterm correction. If for long term, we just follow the white line. If the close price stand above the white line, still no problem. 132 is very high. 132 is around here, nearly the highest point. Before split, right? 132 is here. This line is 132. September 1st, September 2nd, we enter. But you see, if we really enter is 132, and you see the next day, even we enter here, but the next day you see what happened. Even we do for long-term investment, we also hope after we bought, it will continue rising. We don't want we bought it to drop 3 weeks, drop 2 months, and sleeping another 2 months, and then rising. We don't want, right? So we want after we bought, it will continue rising. So the right enter point is very important. See, 132 is here. This line is 132. 132. Even we bought here, but the next day we see the circle turn to white, the signal turn to yellow. So it means the market not good ready, and the short-term sell signal appear. We can also after first. So we lose a small money, it's okay, but we never locked here. So now continue correction. When the now is only 106. It may continue pull back further, even have some rebound. As the price is very far from the white circle, it will have some rebound, pull back or near the white circle resistance. But if the resistance continue, it will continue drop until turn to white circle, until the red candlestick appear. Okay, so we just wait for the right point to enter. Even for most strong shares, the big trend is okay, but we enter at the red circle, the red circle. Every time you buy, after you bought, continue rising. After you bought, continue rising. So you will be very happy. So next one, also member Mr. Lee 0081. Mr. Lee, you open your homely chart and just use what we learned. That's enough. You make analysis, okay? So after class, you make analysis. You can send to the customer service. The hotline also can send to me. I have a look at for you. For members, okay? So what we learned, we must use. We do practice, and then you will really use and help you. So if we just attend and not use, no help for. Next one, kit Meditech 60.5 cents midterm. We see Meditech. So this is our Meditech. Meditech is 6.5. We find the 6.5 is where 60.5 is around here, this level. So this level is 16.5 cents. We do midterm and then we can follow the yellow line. So now you attend class, very good. So today, yesterday, the price just break down the last yellow line. So for midterm also is a wave trading. We can follow the yellow line. The price stand above the yellow line, no problem. We can just hold, we can wait, it will be very safe. But if the price break down the last yellow line, we said breakdown is effectively breakdown, means the close price stand below the last yellow line for 3 days, or the close price break down the last yellow line for 3%, 3 days or 3%. This is 3 rules. If this 3 rules meet anyone, means the breakdown is effective, and then we can opt already. Okay. So now we can have 1-2 more days to see if the close price continue below the white line and can consider after first. But usually it will have some rebound. It may have some rebound. See if the price go back above the yellow line, we can still wait and see. So for Meditech, actually, we follow the circle. You see the trend, no problem, and also big fish here. We just follow the signal. Every time the red circle we enter, the red candlestick we enter, you see, every time you bought will be very happy, rise a lot, very easy, very good to make money. But here the first white circle, the first yellow candlestick appear on August 25. August 25 means short term we can consider take profits ready. As according to the history movement, the price never break down the green lifeline. And this day is September 3rd. The price break down the green lifeline. We can consider take profits first. Okay, the green line also very important. So if price below green line means no life. If the price above the green line still got life. So September the 3rd, we can consider decrease pricing, see we sell half, or can after first wait and see. Okay, so this is Meditech. Now continue in correction, and the market is weak, light blue candlestick, the white circle resisting. Just wait for next red circle or red candlestick appear. It will be another wave. Okay, next one, Mr. Button, we check ready. 1 person, 1 share, please. So more people, we can have a look at the chart. And if we have any other shares, we not make the diagnosis here, you can contact the teacher who invite you attend the seminar, so the teacher can link to the chart. You can have a look at together, and also the teacher can help you. Okay. And Messi also member, please open your chart. You make analysis first, and your result you can send to teachers. We help you check. Okay. Next one, CY Enterprise is 212 to short term WDAY. We see WDAY. For short term is quite easy. Short term quite easy to do. We follow the signal. See the first red circle, first red candlestick is around 179. We can consider enter, and then turn to white circle. So means can take profits ready. 230. So our enter point is 212. We can draw the lines 212. 212 is here. So this line is 212. This line, yeah. This pink line price is 212. I don't know you enter at the red circle or white circle. If we enter at the red circle, it's very good. At least we also make money. But enough 3 days didn't hit new high for short term, also can take profit. Or we can wait for turn to white circle. It's time to sell ready. But currently, it's a white circle resisting, and the light blue signal weak area, not strong. So means after September 3rd, until now, no chance yet. It will continue pullback, continue drop in correction. Wait for the next red circle or next red candlestick. Syntel we set ready. Syntel bearish down and very bearish. Meditech said already, and Mr. Button, we analyze one, the others you can ask the teacher to help, okay? And Ellen, VRTX, we see already, right? VRTX see already, yeah? Next one, Meditech, we also see already. This one we see the this one now. ADVE. Okay. EVEN. TA. This one is Malaysia, right? Malaysia one, 7191. The enterprise don't have to short term. So we do short term, we just follow the circle. See previous wave, the first red candlestick, the first red circle, we just to enter. We never think to white circle we sell. So 12 days, the profit is 107%. But now for the second wave come again. So currently, the price is a bit far away from the red circle. You see have some distance, it's very far away. So short term, it may pull back or sideways when near the red circle, and then see the circle support effective or not. If support is effective, it will continue rising. May sideways, may pull back, hit the red circle, and then consider. Not currently no chance yet. Even for short term, also no chance. Sembcorp is very strong. Not Sembmarine. Sembcorp. See, in class we use this for example already. In class, you see the first red circle we enter, first red circle, and also dark blue candlestick. So means it's very strong. If we enter here, the price is 97 cents. Now it's $1.33. So the profits you see from the first red circle till now is 41.9% already. But if half, we can still hold as still red circle support, still dark blue candlestick strong area. But if don't have not enough to enter, we just wait for the correction finish and wait for next chance. Okay, for Sembcorp, Mr. Yu, Jack. Next one is member. Member, you use your chart to make analysis first, and then you can send your results to us to have a look at. Okay. Next one, we see the last one. Okay, we see last one, and then we will finish here. All others, we can contact the teacher who invite you attend the seminar, and then you can have further check. Okay, we see the last one. City development, CDL sell short, right? We see city development, Charles. We see the last one. City development. So for this one, currently it's no trend. So no matter buy long or sell short, always no profits. See, currently the white line, the big trend is very strong. If we really short, we sell short. I show you how to do. For sell short, we can take this for example. Take this for example. If we want to short, first one, the green bar must be increasing. The green bar increasing, so it means the big fish flowing out, and more and more retail investors locked here. So in this way, the price will continue hit new low. So you see the price turn to white circle. Turn to white circle means it's time to sell ready. And when the red bar appear, or when the red circle appear, we can consider to buy back again. So this period we sell short is very safe and also very easy to make money. See, it's 25 days, 32%. Also, we don't want sell or buy at the lowest point and the highest point. We remove the high, remove the tail. We just eat the middle part. Okay, make the safe profits. But currently, you see all the rainbow lines converge together. Short-term, mid-term, all converge together. No big move. We remove all the signals. Then you see, even the sideway, it's very narrow. So no matter buy long, sell short, no chance yet, just sleeping. When weak, and then we wait for the chance, but currently no chance yet, no chance yet. Okay. So we go on with our later part. This is our stock diagnosis, and from this signal, from this homely chart, the software, it can help us make analysis. Short term, mid term, long term, when can buy, when can hold, we must sell, we must wait. And also it can do the filter. See, if we want the short term, mid term, long term all rising, if we want the shares having big fish just flow in, we all can do the filter. Or even you want the first red circle to appear, the first white circle to appear. See, we go to the technical filter. Here, the white circle turn to red, so it means the first red circle appear. You can consider to do the short term. And if you want sell short, you just choose the first white circle to appear. But the premise is must the right trend, the right money flow, and then we consider the signal. So all this is the platform for the filtering, and it can help us do the statistic and to do the predict. So with homely here, we can get the knowledge, we can learn the truth, then we have a good mindset. So these three together, we can be the 10% in all retail investors to really make safe and sustainable profits. So this is the success formula in stock market. If every one of us we want to make money, so these three must meet. If less than anyone, we will lose money. We will be locked and never make big money. But if we have these three together, then we have the chance, we have the probability to be the 10%. Okay. So for homely, in the past 22 years, from 1998 until now, and 22 years already. And in China, every first-class cities we have center, and overseas 8 countries we have local centers and have members all over the world. So in the past 22 years, we mainly do 2 things. The first one is we do the training, the different level classes, and another one is the software. See, if we want to learn, you choose one company, you choose one software, you just think these two. One is the training. After we bought, whether have teachers teach or not, whether we can learn or not. And the second one is the software. It is the best or not. So if the training, the after sales service, no problem. And also the software is the most advanced technology, and then you can consider. Okay. So this one is designed for retail investor. It's very easy to learn and very friendly to use. And the accuracy at least is 87.4. The accuracy and at least the accuracy. So if the market have chance, we can earn more. If the market no chance, we lose less, and we never be locked here. But not 100%, 87.4%. But quite okay already if we really follow. And here is the package for members. The technical analysis software uses is totally lifelong learning. So you no need worry. We take the package, we join member, and nobody teach. We cannot learn. No way. So here, for any center, for online one-to-one coaching and all the courses, is lifelong learning. So if you want to learn, we will teach. We will guide you until you learn all this technical. The knowledge and also the software. Okay, the update and the maintenance all free, and also have the app lifelong learning. But the market is Asia and the US is separate. We can choose anyone, and the global index all have. See, if you do the indexes, the global index have, and the live data. Even you do forex, the precious metals, you do gold is very strong in recent years. So if you do gold, you do forex, also can check the signals we learned just enough, all have. Okay, and also have the professional books, one-to-one coaching. See, we meet or online, no problem, can be served at all homely centers, and all the family members can learn together. So this is the package. So here we can got these two and can be a success in the stock market. And here is the member courses for technical analysis, for software uses, for market practical outlook, basic, middle, advanced, all have. Okay. The Singapore government will come with 2009. Now it's 11 years already in Singapore, and nearly every year the government gives us award for teaching every day. Okay. Here is the price, the lifelong package, and also the basic package. We can choose according to our own need. So here is today our class will finish here and follow homely to trade in volatile market. But tomorrow, 2 to 4 p.m., we got another very good seminar given by Teacher Joy, the most popular teacher in Southeast Asia, focus on the Q4 market. The market will have chance or it will be crisis. So tomorrow to 2 to 4 p.m., if we can understand the basic Chinese, we can also to try. Okay. So here once again, homely chart what we are and not we are not what we are not. So homely we are not the direct creator of wealth, but we are the discoverer of the laws of stock market. So we learn the rules, we learn the market operating, and then we can use the rules to get the profits to accumulate our wealth. So this is what we can afford to all our clients and to all friends who want to learn. Okay. So today our class will finish here, and I hope everybody have a very nice weekend and learn something new to make your safe and sustainable profits in stock market. Okay, see you next week. Goodbye.